Yes, good morning everyone. Now, yesterday we completed till the respiratory system, and now today we have to start with the circulatory system, and that is this, the transportation in human beings. So this is the short note again of circulatory system. So the blood is a fluid which is connective tissue. It, it contains some of the components like plasma, RBC, WBC, platelets. Okay. So the plasma transport food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and the nitrogenous waste. So we all know that what the blood contains, and yesterday we understand this respiratory pigment, that is the hemoglobin, which is present in the RBC. Huh? And this RBC have highest affinity for the oxygen. Now today we know, already we know that what is the blood, but still there are some key points which we should remember. That is the connective tissue, the components it includes plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. Plasma contains or transports oxygen, water, carbon dioxide and sorry, not water, oxygen, food, carbon dioxide and nitrogenous wastes. Now, functions of blood. Transport of respiratory gases, transport of nutrients, transport of waste and defense against infection. Now, what are the blood vessels contain? They contain the arteries, veins and capillaries. Capillaries are branched into arteries and the veins. And we have little different functions of arteries and veins, as arteries are thick-walled and veins are thin-walled, because they carry oxygenated blood and the force of blood is high. That's why they have the thick wall, and this is thin wall because they carry the deoxygenated blood. Deep seated, superficial, carry blood away from the heart and carry blood to the heart. Carry oxygenated blood, valves absent, deoxygenated blood and students, Rianshi, Litika, screen is visible or not? It is visible, yes. Samyak, it is visible? Yes. Samyak,
Yes, ma'am.
it is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Rianshi, you check your connectivity, it is visible to everyone. Sorry, not Rianshi, it is Rashi. Okay. So, yes. Now, we have to move on to the heart. What is heart? It is a muscular organ which works as a pump in the circulatory system. It is the size of our fist. It has two sides which are separated by a partition so that the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not get mixed up. It has four chambers. If you have any doubt, you can ask. I know there is no doubt, but still some of the point if we left while first time, so it will include here. So the two chambers, upper two chambers are the atria, atricum or auricle, and the lower two chambers are the ventricles and ventricle. Working of heart, left side, see. अगर क्वेश्चन आता है 5 मार्क्स में तो आपको क्या एक्सप्लेन करना, सी द वर्किंग ऑफ हार्ट इन लेफ्ट साइड एंड द राइट साइड, ये डिफरेंस है। आपको 5 मार्क्स अगर चाहिए तो आपको ऐसे ही कुछ एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा। सबसे पहले तो आपको हार्ट का फंक्शन, हार्ट क्या कंटेन करता है, शेप, chambers, and then the working. So just already I had sent in your group this PDF. Working of heart, left side, left atrium relaxes and the oxygenated blood enters it from the lungs through the pulmonary vein. Left atrium contracts and the blood enters the left ventricle through the valve. ये बात समझ में आ गई? लेफ्ट साइड से आया आर्ट्रिया से, वो सीधे वेंट्रिकल में घुस गया. Then left ventricle contracts and the blood is pumped into the largest artery. Now 1 mark question, which is the largest artery in human body? So that is the aorta. Is carried out to all parts of the body. So this is the one side. Now the another side, right atrium relaxes and the deoxygenated blood from the body enters it through the superior inferior vena cava, and the right atrium contracts and the blood enters the right ventricle through the valve. Right ventricle contracts and the blood is pumped into the pulmonary artery and is carried to the lungs. Valves, unidirectional to prevent the backward flow of blood. ये मुझे पता है, तुम सबको आता है, तुमने अभी इसका आंसर भी दिया था. Arihant, yesterday this अच्छा worksheet you have given, yes. And students, sorry for the late. Yesterday I had not given you the sample paper on time. So next time I will be keep in mind this, and please solve it today itself and give it to us. And from the next time you have, when you will get the sample paper, you have to be sit for 3 hours, complete that paper and then submit to your teachers. It is for every subject, not for only science. तो आपको 3 घंटा एक साथ बैठना है, and be loyal, no cheating, please. Okay, I have got your mail. Veeram, I have got your work. Yesterday, Samyak, he had completed his sample paper and he had given me by 10:03 or 10:05. So only Samyak sample paper I have got, and the worksheet I have got from you, Veeram, Arihant. 2-3 worksheets I am having. Okay, so now when you have sent me, Akshat, in the morning. Okay, I had not seen the mail. In the morning we have too much rush, so we are just coming to school and taking your class. So after the class I'll see the mail. Okay, so anything else? Shall I continue? Anyone, please? Okay, so this is the working of a heart and the now we have to move on to the capillaries. Today we have to complete this. Capillaries. See, already working I had told about the arteries and the veins. Now the capillaries is there. Form the connection between the arteries and the veins. Walls are 1 cell thick, only for the easy exchange of blood. Platelets plug the leaks of the arteries and veins by clotting the blood. Lymph, extracellular fluid similar to the plasma but colorless with lesser protein, and the more functions are there. Transportation of digested and absorbed fats from the small intestine and drains excess fluid from the intracellular spaces back in the blood. And the example is given here for the higher animals, birds and the mammals. Next is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. are completely separate for the efficient oxygen supply. This is to fulfill higher energy needs and to maintain body temperature. This is for the warm-blooded animal. So sometimes these questions are not so much important, but it is the part of the notes. So I am showing you it is not so important. ऐसा question बहुत कम ही आता है. डायरेक्टली आपको सीधे सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम के बारे में ही पूछता है. So the amphibians and the reptiles have three-chambered heart where little mixing of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood takes place. Therefore, their body temperature varies with the temperature of the environment. So this is the cold-blooded animal and this condition is for the warm-blooded animals. ठीक है? Transportation in plants. Plants need less energy. So I want one person to read this because all these things are very easy and you know. So I am only simply reading. So I want anyone to read this transportation in plants. Just raise hand who want to read. जिसकी आंखें खुल गई होंगी प्लीज वही रीड करिएगा. जो सो रहा होगा बेड पे तो मत करिएगा प्लीज. ओके, फर्स्ट हैंड इज फॉर दर्शन दुनिया. Yes, Darshan.
Transportation in plants. Plants need less energy needs because they do not move and therefore they have a slow transport system.
Yes, Darshan. Darshan.
Transportation of water takes place by xylem tissue present in roots, stems, leaves, and is therefore interconnected. Root cells take up ions from the soil, which creates a concentration difference between root and soil. Column of water therefore rises upward. In very tall plants, transportation creates a suction pressure which pulls the water upward. Importance of transportation helps in upward movement of water in plant. It regulates the temperature in plants.
Transport of food.
Transport of food takes place by fl- takes place by phloem tissue. Movement of prepared food in plants is called
Yes,
trans-
Ayush.
transportation.
हाँ.
Excretion, the biological process of removal of harmful metabolic waste in living organism. Excretion in human beings. uh,
Excretory system. So this is the organs of excretory system. So here are the organs of excretory system.
Organs of excretory system: kidney, urinary bladder, urethra, kidney. Two in number, bean shaped, present in abdomen on either side of the backbone.
Yes.
Basic unit is nephron. Glomerulus.
Hmm.
Group of capillaries present in Bowman's capsule to receive blood from renal arteries and filter it. Bowman's capsule, cup-shaped structure which contains glomerulus, um, convoluted tubules, is long and reabsorbs vital nutrients like glucose, amino acids, salts, urea, and water. Note vital functions of kidney: filtration and removal of nitrogenous waste, reabsorption of vital nutrients. Ureters transport the urine formed in the kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, muscular bag like structure to store urine. Urethra helps in removal of urine when the urinary bladder is full. Artificial kidney, principal dialysis. Excretion in plants. Gaseous wastage: CO2 in respiration and O2 in photosynthesis and removed by the process of diffusion. Excess water is removed by transpiration. Other waste stored in cellular vacuoles or in leaves which fall off or as gum, resins, etc. in old xylem excreted in soil.
Okay, thank you, Darshan. So can anyone explain me this topic, the whole process of filtration of kidney? Anyone? I am waiting for the reply, please. Just raise hand. What is the work of kidney? No one? Vardhaman? Ayush? If you don't want to say the answer, you can write in chat. I will read for others. Function of nephron, yes. तो इसी को आपको explain करना है. I am waiting for the response. Okay, Arihant, yes.
मैम फर्स्टली रीनल आर्टरी से ग्लोमेरुलस में फिल्ट्रेटेड ब्लड आता है, फिर वो फिल्ट्रेट होके हेनले लूप में जाता है. हेनले लूप का स्टार्टिंग
बेटा आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
नीचे
आपकी आवाज कट रही है, थोड़ा नेटवर्क में आइए. ओके. Filtration, Samyak replied, filtration of blood to excrete the waste product of metabolism. Okay. And nephron helps in the filtration of blood through which waste moves away of body. Akshat has written this. Now waiting for more replies. So that after that I will show you some of the important diagrams. Yes, Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
यस मैम.
हाँ.
मैम फर्स्टली सबसे पहले रीनल आर्टरी से ग्लोमेरुलस में फिल्ट्रेटेड ब्लड आता है.
हाँ.
फिर मैम वो बोमेन कैप्सूल से होके हेनले लूप है, उसकी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पीसीटी और एंडिंग पॉइंट डीसीटी है. तो मैम पीसीटी के नीचे वहां पे वाटर एब्जॉर्ब होता है, फिर डीसीटी के नीचे एमिनो एसिड सॉल्ट्स वगैरह एब्जॉर्ब होते हैं. मैम फिर वो जाके कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में मिलते हैं. मैम बहुत सारे कलेक्टिंग डक्ट किडनी में मिलते हैं और किडनी में पूरा फिल्ट्रेटेड ब्लड प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. फिल्ट्रेटेड एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है और जो भी वेस्ट मटेरियल रहता है वो रहता है. फिर मैम यूरेथर के थ्रू यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में जाता है और वहां पे यूरेथर स्पिंचर रहता है. मैम फिर जब नर्वस कंट्रोल से मैसेज आता है तो फिर यूरिन के थ्रू एक्सक्रीट होता है.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ऐसा कोई जिसको आयुष का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं समझ में आया हो? Yes, Ayush. 1 million nephron in each kidney. Sorry, Arihant. Yes, sorry, Arihant. ऐसा कोई जिसको अरिहंत का नहीं समझ में आया हो? He explained so nicely. Okay, Akshat. Arihant, please you repeat once more. Akshat did not understand your explanation. हाँ, yes, Arihant.
सबसे पहले रीनल आर्टरी के थ्रू ग्लोमेरुलस में पूरा ब्लड आता है, फिर वो बोमेन कैप्सूल से होके हेनले लूप रहता है स्ट्रक्चर, लूप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. उसकी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पीसीटी रहती है और एंडिंग पॉइंट डीसीटी रहती है. तो पीसीटी के नीचे वहां पे पूरा वाटर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, रीअब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. फिर हेनले लूप के थ्रू हो जाता है, लास्ट में एमिनो एसिड सॉल्ट वगैरह सब एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. फिर वो कलेक्टिंग डक्ट में मिलते हैं और वहां मिलियंस ऑफ कलेक्टिंग डक्ट रहते हैं. तो ऐसे सब जगह
थोड़ा स्लोली बेटा ना, थोड़ा धीरे धीरे. मुझे पता है तुमको आता है, तुमने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया, लेकिन थोड़ा धीरे. हाँ, कलेक्टिंग डक्ट से
वहां पे बहुत सारे मिलियंस ऑफ कलेक्टिंग डक्ट रहते हैं, तो वो सब कलेक्टिंग डक्ट से जो भी मतलब अनफिल्ट्रेटेड ब्लड रहता है वो मिलते हैं किडनी में, फिर किडनी के थ्रू यूरेथर के थ्रू वो यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में जाते हैं, और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में यूरेथ्रा स्पिंचर रहता है, वो नर्वस कंट्रोल से ही खुलता है। तो जब नर्वस कंट्रोल ऑर्डर आता है तो फिर यूरिन सिक्रीट होता है।
अक्षत, नाउ इट इज क्लियर। बहुत अच्छे से समझाया उसने। अक्षत, इट इज क्लियर नाउ। गिव द मैसेज। Thank you. Now see students, these are some of the important diagrams which we have to keep in mind for this chapter. Open and closed stomata, amoeba ka steps of nutrition, and the alimentary canal. This digestive system, respiratory system, structure of heart, circulatory system, excretory system, and the structure of nephron. Now today first chapter revision over. Now I am showing you the some of the questions which have 3 marks, 2 marks. तो आज हम देखेंगे 3 marks question. So this is your 3 marks question. Here you have the answers also. So now I want someone to read the answer and the question first, so that today we have to complete this 3 marks question. Yes, Riyanshi, with the explanation.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Question number 1. What are the adaptations of leaf for photosynthesis? Answer. Leaves provide large surface area for maximum light absorption. Leaves are arranged at right angles to the light source in the way that causes overlapping. The extensive network of veins enables quick transport of substances to and from the mesophyll cells. Presence of numerous stomata for gaseous exchange. The chloroplasts are more in number on the upper surface of leaves.
Very good. Can you explain, Betu?
Line-wise explanation.
No, not required to explain each line. I want this in short. Leaf for adaptation, मतलब फोटोसिंथेसिस के लिए क्यों कैक्टस यहाँ भी हो जाता है, कैक्टस सारे सैंडी एरिया में भी हो जाता है, तो ऐसा क्यों होता है कैक्टस के साथ में? एक एग्जाम्पल अगर कुछ हमारे पास है तो।
मैम कैक्टस में लीव्स नहीं होते हैं, मतलब उसमें
हाँ, जो उसके जो
इसमें वो स्पाइन्स होते हैं, तो स्पाइन्स शेप के होते हैं, तो उसमें सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा नहीं हो पाता है एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए।
ओके, यस दर्शन, वेरी गुड। क्लाइमेट प्लस हाँ, यस, क्लाइमेट प्लस जो एरिया वाइज कैक्टस इसलिए इजीली हर जगह हो जाता है क्योंकि उसको वाटर की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं होती है, वो लंबे समय तक स्टे कर सकता है। वेरी गुड अक्षत। स्पाइन्स जो they control the transpiration. So here this is the first answer. What are the adaptations of leaf for photosynthesis? तुमको पता होता है लार्ज सरफेस एरिया चाहिए, हमने कल इसको पढ़ा था। अरेंज्ड होती है एक्सियल और ओवरलैपिंग वे में, सारी जो लीव्स होती हैं वो एक दूसरे से अपोजिट साइड में होती हैं। एक्सटेंसिव नेटवर्क ऑफ वेन्स enables the quick transport of substance to and fro from the mesophyll cell. अब जो वेन्स होती हैं, कैक्टस किसी भी सॉइल में हो सकता है दर्शन, कैक्टस के साथ कुछ ऐसा रूल नहीं है कि वो किस सॉइल में होता है, क्योंकि कैक्टस को न्यूट्रिशन की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं होती है, तो कैक्टस सॉइल में भी हो जाता है, कैक्टस अपना सैंड में भी हो सकता है, तो उसको ज्यादा न्यूट्रिशन की जरूरत नहीं होती क्योंकि ना वो फ्लावरिंग होता है ना वो फ्रूटिंग होता है, तो वो कहीं भी उग सकता है। जैसे मनी प्लांट आपका क्या है, लोग घर में उसको बॉटल में भी उगा लेते हैं जिसमें पानी होता है, या लोग अपने घर में उसको गमलों में भी उगा लेते हैं। तो वो कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो फ्रूटिंग और फ्लावरिंग नहीं होते हैं, सिर्फ उनको थोड़ा फोटोसिंथेसिस जो प्रोसेस होता है वो अपने खुद के लिए, क्लोरोफिल के प्रोसेस, फोटोसिंथेसिस में तो फूड प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है, तो सिर्फ खुद को जिंदा रखने के लिए, ग्रीन रखने के लिए उनको एक एटमॉस्फेयर की जरूरत होती है। ठीक है, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ न्यूमरस स्टोमेटा फॉर द गैसियस एक्सचेंज एंड द क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर मोर इन नंबर्स ऑन द अपर सरफेस ऑफ द लीव्स। इसलिए ऊपर का जो लीव्स का कलर होता है वो अलग होता है और नीचे का जो लीव्स का हिस्सा होता है वो अलग होता है। यस दर्शन, बट कैक्टस अगर हम उसको, आई नो इट इज सुपरस्टिशियस, लोग अंधविश्वास रखते हैं, बट कैक्टस जो होता है उसको घर में नहीं उगाना चाहिए। हमेशा घर में फ्रूटिंग एंड फ्लावरिंग वाला ही प्लांट रखना चाहिए। ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मेंशन द मेजर इवेंट्स ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस। ये हमने कल भी किया था, तो ये 3 मार्क्स में आएगा। एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी बाय क्लोरोफिल, conversion of light energy to chemical energy, splitting of water, and the reduction of CO2 to carbohydrates. So I am not taking too much time in this question. Second question is, study the diagram, given diagram, name the parts A and B. Students, I will not send this PDF in the class, so you have to be concentrate in your online classes. वो आपके ऊपर, आप उसको कैसे रखते हो। I will not send each and every PDF. I will only send the sample paper. So remember this, you will not get this PDF. Name the parts A and B. तो आपको ये डायग्राम दिया हुआ रहेगा। अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपको 3 मार्क्स में पूछता है, then you have to tell the A and B with the function, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है state one function. So one function 2 marks and the name is of 1 mark. So it is of 3 marks. तो massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through these pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. And the guard cell, the opening and the closing of the stomatal pore is a function of the guard cell. So this is B. B is a guard cell, and A, this inside blank part. So by this process we have the opening and the closing of the stomata. तो तुमने पिक्चर में देखा होगा बुक पे कि closed, that is the closing of stomata और opening of stomata. ये जो गैप जब पूरा कंप्लीट भर जाता है तो उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, ओपनिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा और क्लोजिंग ऑफ स्टोमेटा। एनीवन? ये बीन शेप पूरा कंप्लीट ये फिल हो जाता है, व्हाट इज दैट? ये बीन शेप अभी ये खुला हुआ है, इट इज ओपनिंग, जब ये भर जाता है दैट इज, देन इट इज व्हाट? Yes, close. Yes, very good. So this is the opening, and when it is, ये जो shade part भर जाता है, light shade part, that is the closing. Okay. Yes. Now next question, what substance are contained in the gastric juice and what are their functions? So gastric juice contains 3 substances, HCl, ये सब कल बता चुकी हूँ मैं तुम लोगों को, pepsin and the mucus. Function of gastric juice, yeah, HCl in the stomach is to make the medium acidic, to facilitate the action of the enzyme pepsin and to kill germs if any. Enzyme pepsin digests proteins to convert them into peptones, and the mucus helps to protect the stomach wall from its own secretion of hydrochloric acid. So this is the function of gastric juice. Now this question is again of 3 marks. What are the various process that takes place in duodenum? So the process that takes place in the duodenum are, bile emulsifies the fat molecules present in the food into small globules. The pancreatic enzyme trypsin start digesting the proteins, and the pancreatic amylase breaks down the starch. Bile juice secreted by the liver and bicarbonate ions are secreted by the duodenal wall, which makes the medium alkaline. So this is the process of duodenum. Again, next question, how does? So students, any doubt in this? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? I am in a flow. So if any doubt, you can write in chat. You first read it. I am showing you this answer. Read it. Okay. अक्षत का क्वेश्चन है, what is duodenum? So duodenum, it is a part of, oh Arihant, yes Arihant. Arihant, you raised hand. Okay. Yes Arihant.
Duodenum is the starting point of small intestine,
Yes, very good.
followed by jejunum.
हाँ, कुछ और बोलना है इसमें?
Followed by jejunum.
Jejunum. And one more point, it is located between the stomach and the mid part of the small intestine. ठीक है? It is located in the stomach and the mid part of the small intestine where the duodenum is present. हाँ मिली, yes, starting part of small intestine. फिर ये और आगे बढ़ता है, तब ये जाता है jejunum में, Jejunum, jejunum. So any doubt? हाँ, jejunum, yes मिली, ये मैंने इसलिए स्पेलिंग बता दी सबको. Now the next question, how does respiration occur in the roots of the plant? We have only 5 minutes today. I have to complete 3 marks question. So you just have a look in this. I want, yes, Darshan Baradia. Now you read these questions so that today I will complete this 3 marks question of this chapter. Darshan,
Ma'am, from the sixth one.
from 6th question.
Okay. How does respiration occur in the roots of the plant? Answer. Air is present in the between the particles of the soil. The roots take the oxygen by the process of diffusion. Oxygen first diffuses into the root hairs and reaches all other cells of the root for respiration. CO2 produced in the cells move out through the root hairs by the process of diffusion. For respiration in older roots where root hair is not present, the exchange of gases take place through lenticles, tiny opening in the protective layer by the process of diffusion.
Very good. Next, 7th question.
Seventh question, first part. Explain why the rate of photosynthesis in plants is low both or at low and higher temperature. Second part, in green light, most or least useful is photosynthesis and why. Answer first part. Photosynthesis is an enzymatic process. The enzymes function within an optimum range of temperature, which is neither very low or nor very high. At low temperature, the activity of enzymes is lower, due to which the rate of photosynthesis is also low. Again, when the temperature is very high, the activity of enzyme decrease, which leads to the low rate of photosynthesis. Answer second part. Green light is least useful in photosynthesis because chlorophyll does not absorb green light.
Very good.
Question 8.
8th.
How does respiration occur in the stem of the plant? Answer. In the stem of the herbaceous plant,
Herbaceous
stomata are present.
all herbs. So herbaceous word is used. ठीक है. So students, you need this answer to read. ये क्योंकि opening and closing of stomata है. So I hope this is not required to read. So if you want to see, you can see in the online video, recorded video. I am going on to the next question. This is the next question. Give reason. Plants look green. The respiratory surface of earthworm is its skin. Nutrition is necessary for an organism, and we boil the leaf in alcohol when we are testing it for starch. So this is 9th question, and 10th question is draw a label diagram of excretory system. And 11th question we have State the function of the following components of blood and lymph. 12th is the last question, I hope. Here is the difference between artery, veins, and capillaries. So this question you know how to write the answer. This also, this diagram you know. I want that the Darshan you will read this answer. This is the reasoning answer.
Ninth. Okay.
Yes, 9.
Question 9. Give reason. First part. Plants look green. Second part, the respiratory surface of earthworm is its skin. Third part, nutrition is necessary for an organism. Fourth part, we boil the leaves in alcohol when we are testing it for starch. Answer first part. The leaves of plant contain green pigment called chlorophyll, which is necessary for photosynthesis. Plant reflect green light of sunlight, so they look green. Answer second part. The skin of earthworm is quite thin and moist and has rich blood supply, so it respires through its skin. Answer third part. An organism requires nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, protein, minerals, and vitamins for the growth, reproduction, and metabolic activities. So nutrition is necessary for an organism. Answer fourth part last. We boil the leaf in alcohol to remove chlorophyll from green leaf.
Yes. So any doubt in this question? ये reason में किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Less than 1 minute is left. After few seconds, your class will be over. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Darshan, and thank you for attending the class. Bye.